Okay, so you can do a lettuce edge hem on a serger or with a zigzag. I've got a separate video or separate part of this video, I guess, depending on how we edit this, showing how to do it with serger. So now I'm going to show you how to do it with a zigzag. You're going to want a wide zigzag with a narrow narrow stitch length. That's right. Yeah, wide width, short length. So basically what you're trying to do is cram as many zigzag stitches in as short of an area as you can. I like to turn my edge over slightly for this. I find it gives a much cleaner edge. Of course, it would help if my edge was flush. Okay, so anyways, yes, wide, short, and you're going to basically be stitching right on the edge here, like right over the edge. You want to catch it on the edge, but you don't want to have most of your stitch over. So you're just catching the very edge of it. And you're going to stretch this as hard as you can. And you're going to hold it in front of and behind the machine and just let the machine pull it through. You're not going to want to pull it through yourself, or you're not going to get as much curl on it. So my sewing machine is having power supply issues, but basically this is what you're going to get for the edge. So you just continue that the whole way around, stretching and pulling. The harder you can stretch, whether it's your manual stretch or if you just have a stretchier spandex, you're going to get more of a curl to it. If you don't stretch it as much, you're going to have more of a wave than a curl. So you just trim your ends. There's your zigzag lettuce edge hem, nicely roughly.